Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at the contents of the May 2022 Sew Sampler box. This is a monthly sewing subscription box that includes a pattern, a block of the month, some fabric, and some notions, and the total cost at the recording of this video is like $25 before your shipping and handling and your taxes. If you want to sign up, there are vacancies, I believe, right now, and you can use the link in the first comment down below this video to snag yourself a spot. Let's dive in and see what they've curated for us for the month of May. So the theme this month is Make Believe. It's got really pretty butterflies on the card. On the back side of this card, there's usually some sort of an announcement or coupon code, and it looks like our coupon code for members this month is 15% off of Free Spirit Designer Essential Solids, which includes Tula Pink solids. That's actually really cool because Tula Pink does have a solid line, and I absolutely love her color palette, and I've been thinking about picking up a little bit of yardage of some of her, I think it's called Dragon's Poop or Unicorn, I don't even know what the name is, but the colors are pretty, and I've been thinking about picking up some of those solids, so now I can use my coupon code to do that. This is your sneak peek for inside the box. Let's go through each item one at a time. We have the pattern for block number 2 for the Bliss Quilt-a-Long. This is a block of the month program that is free for Sew Sampler members, but you can pick up the pattern for about $5 over on Fat Quarter Shop's website. This month, our block is going to look just like this. This is block number 2. I have not even started block number 1 yet because I am trying to wrap up the Bright Side Quilt-Along, which is the block a month program that was included last year. Once all of those blocks are done and the quilt top is finished, then I will probably jump into doing this one and get caught up on it. If you're interested in seeing me put together the Bright Side Quilt-Along quilt top, that's a lot of quilt words in there. But if you're interested in seeing me put those blocks together, I am releasing a video every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. until that quilt top is completed. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and come on back on Sundays to see that video. We have an essential notion in our box this month. This is a 2-pack of 45mm rotary blades. This 2-pack of rotary blades should fit pretty much any rotary cutter that you have, and it retails for $10.74. And like I said, there's 2 in there, so change one out now, and then you have another one to change out later down the road. We have an exciting new notion that I have actually never seen before. This is called Sew Daisy, and it is from Laundry Basket Quilts. Take a look down here. This item retails for $6.24, and the idea is that, I'll open it up and show you, it has a diagram here how you do it, but I'm going to show you on a spool of thread. There are little end caps that are meant to go on your spool of thread, one for the top and one for the bottom. I think I have it reversed. This is the top and this one is the bottom. And basically it takes that tube and conceals it. It seals it up. So you could use this to put pins or needles or something down inside. So if you do a lot of English paper piecing or hand sewing and you use Aurifil thread, grab yourself one of those bobbin huggers, I can't even talk today, to wrap the thread around the spool. And then with these little end caps, you can drop your needles down inside the spool of thread and you're ready to go on the go. Yeah. Also, these fit on here really snug, so it does take a little bit of power to snap them off. Man, I'm having a hard time with my words today. We have another new notion that I've actually never seen before, and it's wrapped in a foil bag. This is called a Sticky Finger Multi-Tool. It is made by Bucklebee Bags, and it retails for $6.24, and it's this nice hefty wooden stick. It's got a point at this end, and it's got this sticky silicone grippy thing over here. And so they actually did a write-up in the pamphlet to tell us how to use this. It says, you won't mind having these sticky fingers about. The Sticky Finger Multi-Tool is a versatile, multitasking marvel from Bucklebee. One end of this hardwood notion can be used for turning corners and points and guiding and creasing fabric. And the other end sports a heat-resistant silicone cap that can sweep away loose threads and also be used as a pressing aid. We give these sticky fingers 2 thumbs up. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let's see. I've actually got some threads down here. Does this really pick up the loose threads? Well, it did, and then it immediately dropped them. How many of you are having fun just watching me chase these threads around my mat? Okay, so this doesn't really seem to attract anything. It definitely pushes it around, but so does my other end. So I don't know how good this is for picking up loose threads, maybe for nudging them out of the way. I do think this would be helpful as a pressing tool because it's heat resistant. So there's that. Our pattern this month is a Sew Sampler exclusive, as always. That means you can't get this pattern unless you're a Sew Sampler member. It is called the Winding Path. It is written by Fat Quarter Shop. It will measure 42.5 inches by 42.5 inches. And on the back side, you can see a better diagram of what that quilt pattern looks like. Wow, that is actually really gorgeous. I couldn't tell if I would like it looking at it here, but when I see the diagram, I really kind of like it. You're going to need the fabric that came in the box, plus an extra 1 yard of accent fabric, 3/4 yard of an accent number 2, and then a 1/2 yard for your binding to make that 42.5 by 42.5 inch quilt top. These patterns are actually really great because they make a good size center quilt, and you could add some extra borders to it if you want to increase the size. Our fabric this month is a 6-piece fat quarter bundle featuring the Tiny Beast fabric line from Tula Pink. It retails for $21.98, and I feel like the only way to really give you a good idea of what this fabric looks like is to open up the fat quarter bundle and show you each piece each step of the way. Since there's only 6 pieces here, we didn't get the entire fabric line. We only have 6, so let me show you the ones that they picked for us. The pamphlet writes that the creatures on Tula Pink's newest fabric collection for Free Spirit Fabrics may be small, but Tiny Beast is nothing short of mighty. This 6-piece fat quarter bundle is curated for a fun and fierce taste of the bold colors and garden variety of Tula's animals, ranging from the little ladybugs, how cute, to the wild foxes. Rise to the challenge of taming these beasts with the perfect quilt pattern. I think Fat Quarter Shop has done a marvelous job of curating this fat quarter bundle. I'm not a huge Tula Pink fan, but even I can appreciate how nicely these look together. So that's everything for the May 2022 Sew Sampler box. Don't forget that I am making videos showing you how to put together each of the blocks from the Bright Side Quilt Along, and those videos are hitting the airwaves at 9 a.m. Eastern Time every Sunday until that quilt top is all caught up. I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel and come on back on Sunday to check out that video. That's all I have for today, friends. Thank you so much for opening this box with me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!